Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you a very simple thing many of us are knowing, but who are not knowing. This video is for them only. How to zoom in and zoom out in camera of any Android phone. I am going to show you here with this Samsung phone, but you can resemble on other phones also, just like that only. So not wasting much of your time, who are not knowing, please watch this video till the end, and who are knowing may skip the video. So not wasting much of your time, again I am saying, just tap on the camera, and here many of the options, portrait, photo, video is there, and if you want to select what you want to do, take a photo or make a video, and just like that. See, this is zooming, and this is here also one ruler has come, and in ruler you can go up to the 10x, and here zoom out also 0.5x. okay, so zoom it. In the case of video, just go to the video, and here see, you can zoom in, zoom out to this. So this is how you can zoom in or zoom out in camera while taking photograph or making video. So this is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.